Good morning student. Let me start maths period for class 8th. Today I am going to start new chapter 2 linear equations that you have already done in your class 7th about the linear equation. Very simple chapter because it is going to be repetition of the same chapter here. Exercise 2.1. I am doing the example of the 2.1 but in the homework I have given you the exercise of 2.1 with the same question but different digits. Okay, let me start with the example 1. Here 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Leave the x term in one side and without x term in the other side as usual you do. 7 plus 3 because 3 is here for minus. When you convert it place, it convert into the positive sign, that is plus 3. Now plus 7 and 3 it going to be 10. Now leave the 2 from here. 2 is multiply and when it change the place it going to be divide. So the answer is after cutting x is equal to 5. Actually you have to find the value of the variable, whether it is x, y, z, u, v, t, whatever. Okay, example 2. Same question with the different variable. Change the position of the 9 from here. When 9 change its position, is convert into the negative term, and after the solve it, because plus minus minus, the answer is minus 5. Now 2 is multiply, change its position as a division. Okay, after division there is a no more cutting, so leave the answer of your answer here. Next, example 3. Here are 3 terms, x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 equal to 3. Change the place of 5 upon 2 because there is no x in this term. So when 5 upon 2 changes place, it's going with the negative sign, because here it is positive. I convert it into the negative because I change its place. Now here I going to take the LCM because there is 2 in the 5 in the denominator of 5 and there is 1 in the denominator of 3. You have to compare it, find the LCM both of you and convert this denominator same as usual you do many of times. Okay, simple. You can take here the LCM. There is 6 upon 2, there is 5 upon 2. X upon 3 is equal to 2, that is 6 minus 1 is 5 is 1. Now x is alone, convert the 3. When 3 is going there, it is division. After it's changing place, it's convert into the multiplication, and now the answer is 3 upon 2. You can convert it in the mixed fraction also. Okay, next, only 4 example of the 2.1. I am doing all the example here, but in the question in the homework you have to do the main exercise of 2.1. Here 3 terms are there. Change the place of 15 upon 4 because it is not a variable with it. Here is a no sign with the 15 upon 4. You have to put minus with this, and when it changes place, it's convert into the negative term. Okay, same here the LCM. We're going to take the LCM here to become same the denominators like this. You can take direct the LCM here. Okay, after taking the LCM, you see the denominator of the both term will be equal, and after equalization 8 you have to solve the upper term. There is 1 2 upon 4. Okay, now change the place of the minus 7. Here minus 7 is multiply with the x, and going with the other place it will be divided. So cutting 7 1s is 7, 7 3 the 21. Answer will be minus 3 upon 4. That is your answer. I am doing here all the examples of related to 2.1 exercise, but you have to do the exercise with all parts in your homework. If any problem in any part, then share with me. I help you in solving it. Okay, thank you.